Ever since the wireless headphones were introduced in the market, music lovers from all over the world have got attracted to it. The technology of the Bluetooth wireless headphones is improving with time, and right now, headphone making companies are producing some amazing in-ear wireless headphones. Among the name of great earphone producers, Bang & Olufsen is renowned for its design excellence and craftsmanship. Today, we've selected the Beoplay E8 Premium Bluetooth wireless earphones from Bang & Olufsen, and we hope you would like this fantastic pair of earphones.
Here we go.
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The Beoplay E8 Premium Wireless Earphone is a symbol of design excellence that comes with the signature of Bang & Olufsen. The earphone is designed with a 5.7mm electrodynamic driver for ensuring the excellence of the company. It produces great sound quality as the earphone covers as low as 20Hz sound and captures up to 20,000Hz high-end bass. The users are bound to praise the sound quality of the Beoplay E8 earbuds because it comes with near-field magnetic induction NFMI feature that ensures faster and better quality streaming with zero audio dropouts between earbuds. These excellent earbuds are made with premium quality materials like memory foams, silicone, aluminum, leather and textile that make the earphone lightweight and comfortable in the ears. The connectivity feature of Beoplay E8 is impressive as it comes with the advanced Bluetooth 4.2 embedded with DSP features. The earphones are easily connected with your phone or another Bluetooth enabled device and works great at a long range. Beoplay E8 has got an omnidirectional microphone which would provide excellent talking experience. Bang & Olufsen has included touch control in the Beoplay E8 earbuds. You can take calls, change music, or control volume with your fingertips on the earbuds. It offers the option for customizing your sound preferences using different preset or customized equalization options. It comes with good battery life. Once charged, it can last up to 4 hours, and the charging case can provide up to 12 hours of music time on the go. Now we'll check out the user ratings for the product. The users have reviewed the earphones based on sound quality, noise cancellation, bass quality, battery life, and moisture wicking. It has got 3.2 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 1,965 customer ratings. Here are some comments from users. One person has given 5 stars and wrote, "I have paired these with an iPhone 8 and an iPad Pro and have had none of the connectivity drop out. The sound quality is incredible and the touch controls are pretty intuitive if a tad sensitive." Another person has given 5 stars and commented, "Fantastic B&O build quality, excellent sound, classy look and finish, easy links to phone and B&O app. Highly recommend." There are some dissatisfied customers. Among them, one gave 1 star and wrote, "I use these primarily for working out since they have no wires. They worked amazingly for 2 months and then they died." That's all we have on the Bang & Olufsen Beoplay E8 Premium Truly Wireless Earphones for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.